fireproof balloon?
One.
Okay, we are conducting a chemistry backyard experiment, which is based on thermodynamics, and it's called a fireproof balloon. We will investigate the specific heat capacity of two different mediums, which is water and air. This experiment that we are about to conduct was actually inspired from an old science book back in the Victorian era, which is 1800, very old library. So the experiment will show the difference with the help of balloon between the thermal conductivity of water and air. According to theory, the specific heat capacity of water is higher than air, thus needing more energy. In this experiment, we are going to prove this theory.
3. Hi, I'm going to talk about the material and apparatus which is required to do the experiment. We are going to use two balloons. So one is for the air and one is to be filled with water, and then marker pen to label the balloon, and lighter to lighten up the candle, water basin to prevent this water splashing, and a cup of water to fill the balloon.
Now we are going to conduct the experiment step by step. Now we need two balloons. Now we are going to label it as A and B. Step 2, we are going to inflate balloon A by blowing it. Now we are going to try it. Step 3, we are going to fill up balloon B before we inflate it. Next, we are going to light up the candle. And place balloon A close to the flame. And now we are going to observe it. This is the final step. We are going to light up the candle again. And place balloon B directly under the flame and observe it.
Now we're going to move on to the results. Here are the final state of both balloon A and balloon B. As you can see, the balloon A that has been filled with air has been burst already. Meanwhile, the balloon B that has filled with water didn't burst. As you observe here, there's a black mark. This shows that the balloon has been burned, but it didn't burst.
Why did balloon B didn't pop? It is because it has a presence of water. First, let's talk about the black shoot is formed right below of the balloon. It is carbon deposited when flame is burned oxygen and produces carbon dioxide, which is presence of carbon, and it is deposited right below of the bottom, and we can see as a black shoot. Another is water is a high heat capacity compared to air, so it absorbs a lot of energy compared to air. It will, when the water is heated up, when the flame is contact, the water will radiate and release hot air, and it will rise up. and the cold air in the balloon will rises down, and this will create a circle where it will become a pile and will be continuously repeating and preventing balloon from popping. That's all.
Hi, now we are going to discuss about the thermodynamic. Thermodynamic is the main branch of the chemistry that is existing in our real life at the daily basis, and it is existing in our daily working to the natural and the unnatural processing on all the way. That already we have the experiment about the balloon and the switching of the balloon, how it does with the candle light. But now I am going to tell you about the processing of the thermodynamic, about the endothermic processes and the exothermic processes. Exothermic reactions occur at the daily basis, like the people are gathered in a crowd in a one room and they are crowded and they all are going to sweating. And the sweating is the reason they are releasing and producing the heat due to the endothermic reaction. All the endothermic reaction producing the heat, and they are getting the cooling, the exfoliation from the outside the air of the air. And in the exothermic process and in the endothermic, and we are talking about the next thing about the endothermic reactions, like the exothermic releasing the heat, and in the endothermic processing at the daily basis, like the ice cubic, they are absorbing the heat. Some reactions absorbing the heat, that absorbing like when the ice pool is placed in the heat process and they are producing the heat